What up, guys? It's Squatch here. It's like 39 degrees out. I'm fucking cold. It's dark out. I was at a fire, and now it's midnight. Let's fucking get this bread. First time doing a night vlog. Let's see how this fucking camera picks up my headlights. Because I do have LED headlights, but sometimes cameras don't like to pick it up very well. Which is not awesome, because then people think I don't have headlights in my videos. This is why I refrain from running at night so far. Man, it's fucking cold out. Because, believe it or not, I do have day makers on, so like, I can see for days. It's just, how the camera picks it up isn't always the greatest, you know? And yes, I'm aware I'm under the speed limit. It might even be raining too. I'm feeling kind of wet down below, but it could also be the dew that's starting to set in on the bike from just sitting at the fire for like 6 hours. So, I'll let you know how that goes. I don't think it might not be wet, it might just be cold. You know, like when you get cold to the point where you feel wet, but you're not, it might be that. However, it is pretty fucking nice riding at night with no traffic on the roads. The same point though, this is still pretty far into Muskegon, so I'm taking the highway instead of going through town. Fuck that. Which means that I get to have a very cold forehead because I'm not putting my visor down, which is tinted. Because, you know, it's nighttime out, but it is also fucking cold out, so I'm gonna get probably okay, visor's down, fuck it. I can still see pretty well. Woo! Okay, maybe not as well as I thought, because I just got into a rut for a second there. Good job to deal with really bad audio for a second or two here. And I'm gonna go barely 70. At least until I get to a better area and I know where the area's at. Just gotta get there. But anyway, I hope you all have been enjoying my content so far. Yeah, it's interesting riding the bike at night when it's just cold out. I'll say that, because I've sketched out that every surface is gonna be like not good contact. I'm gonna slide out. I'm afraid of that. I hope it doesn't happen. I'm gonna try my best to stay closest to the white line as I can, because that should help me out. I have 3 layers of jacket on and like 1 layer of pants, so legs are gonna be cold. I still have my summer gloves on, so those are cold. But as long as I can keep my midsection fine, I'll be alright, because the blood will keep flowing to those areas that are cold instead of coming back to protect my internal organs, you know? It's like the one thing I retained from high school. If you keep your midsection warm, the blood will flow. So, let's play the hope for the best game. Do I go that way or do I not go that way? Regardless, I have to pass this car, which is going to be interesting. Woo! Okay, so I'm behind one slow car to another, because I'm going 71 and I'm catching up still, so I guess get around this car and go from there, right? God, this is one of those times I wish I had a bagger, though. But if all these old farts can do it, I can fucking do it too, right? It's just my thinking. Everybody else can, so can I. I'm so looking forward to a hot shower when I get home. It's already 1:15 midnight though, so maybe not tonight, but I'm looking forward to having a hot shower. No, I thought I lost my phone for a second there. I was like, oh fuck, not in my pocket, where's it at? That was sketchy for a second. Sorry, not sketchy, not spooky for a second. You know, I always thought I'd have a hard time making a motovlog at night, but like so far I think I've talked a lot. It's pretty cool. I'm probably gonna shut up about 5 minutes from here, because that's where there's a lot of deer and it gets kind of sketchy in the corners. Not like, oh my god, crash sketchy, but like, did somebody leave bullshit in the road because they got drunk on a Saturday night and drop all of it, you know? That kind of sketchy. So now that I'm off the highway, for better or for worse, I'm not going to jam the brakes at all. I'm just going to let it coast. Put the visor up so my full face can get cold instead of just my fucking forehead. Because believe it or not, it's hard as fuck to see through a tinted visor. Day makers help a lot though. Like, a lot. Look at all that shit I can see. I can see everything. I know y'all can't see shit, but I can see everything. Oh man, I'm gonna have a cold fucking hand tonight. Holy shit. You know, I've rode in this temperature before, so like, ain't nothing too new. Look back at my Mackinac rider and I freezing our asses off video, which is, I'm a real motovlogger now, first ride of the season. That's what that video is. I'll link it down below if I remember to. Something bad about linking shit lately. Check out my Instagram too while you're at it. You'll see some cool shit on there occasionally when I actually remember to post. Okay, cold hand goes in here, in my crotch area. We might just run 50 all the way home, boys. We might. Although I will put this up here in case they decide to flash me or not. Okay, they did not flash me. I appreciate that, because I have no control over that shit. I feel like I'm that crazy Harley guy now, because it's fucking cold out. My phone said it was 39, but I feel like that was a lie. I really feel like that was a lie. So for the record, in case my headlights don't turn out to see that much on the camera, I can see all the way, like, almost beyond that car in front of me, which is like, I mean, maybe not as great as it could be, but that car is still probably about 1/8 mile ahead of me, you know? And I had not had a single chance to put my brakes on because there's been a car in front of me every time, so. Or I was on the highway with people coming, that kind of shit. I need to like get a snowmobile suit and just wear that sometimes. Fuck. Warm bed, warm. Oh, he's drunk. He's in the wrong lane. You back off. It's too cold to deal with that shit. If it was in the middle of summer, I'd probably keep up a little bit, but at the same point, fuck that shit, dogs. I'll do the normal Harley guy turn, where it's barely a turn. Because I don't want to go down tonight. I'm starting to kind of regret my decision to ride the motorcycle to a fucking fire. At 7 o'clock it was 55 and nice out. At 12:30 it's currently like fucking cold as shit. I hope I've been recording this whole time. Holy shit, that would suck if I wasn't. Wonder why that guy's just chilling with his truck on with the lights across the road. That's always interesting to see that shit. See, look at brights on. Woo! I can see farther now. It's 230 in this corner. Hell yeah. Howdy boy shit, right? I still need to get a pair of goggles so I can keep my helmet up, my visor up. See this, that's brights on, brights off. Brights on, brights off. Just keep brights on. It might not seem like much, but I appreciate the extra little bit of light more than y'all will believe. I mean, y'all know how I normally rip through here. I am going at a very cautious, steady pace of 41 when I normally go 70 through here. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking now. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Have a good one. Stay safe, everybody. Peace out.